In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Temu credit at checkout. If you already have items in your cart and you're ready to place your order, this is a quick and simple process. Temu credit is usually applied during the final part of checkout, so the main thing you need to do is know exactly where to look before completing your purchase. Start by going to checkout with the items you want to buy already added to your cart. Once you enter the checkout page, take a moment to review your order carefully. This is a good time to confirm that the products, quantities, delivery details, and payment information all look correct. Since the credit is applied near the end of the process, checking everything first helps you avoid having to go back and make changes afterward. Next, look for the Temu credit section in your final order total summary. This area is usually shown alongside the breakdown of your order costs, such as the item subtotal, any shipping fees, discounts, taxes, and the final amount due. You may need to scroll a little, depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but it should appear within the payment or order summary section. Read the labels carefully so you don't miss it, especially if there are multiple savings or payment options displayed on the page. Once you find the Temu credit section, check the box to apply your available credits to the order. As soon as you do that, the total should update automatically to reflect the credit being used. If you have enough credit, you may notice a significant reduction in the amount you need to pay. If your available credit only covers part of the purchase, the remaining balance will still need to be paid using your selected payment method. Before you finalize the order, take one more look at the updated total to make sure the credit was successfully applied. This final review is helpful because it confirms that the discount has been included and that the total matches what you expect to pay. And that's it. Once the box is checked and the updated total looks correct, you're ready to continue and place your order normally. This is an easy way to make sure you're using any available Temu credit before completing your purchase.